Most lizards run, some drop their tails. This one? It shoots blood from its eyes. Yes, real blood, real eyes. Meet the Texas horned lizard, a tiny desert warrior with a hardcore party trick. When threatened, it builds up pressure and squirts blood up to 5 feet from its eye sockets. Why? To confuse, scare, and sometimes poison predators, especially dogs and coyotes. It's like, mess with me, and I cry blood. On you. Also, it's covered in spikes, flattens its body like a pancake and looks like a mini land dinosaur. Horned lizard, small, spiky, and emotionally expressive, in the most disturbing way. Follow for more creatures that said fight me, with style.